My kitchen is sort of, if you're craving, let's make it. There it is. Lechon pork leg. Ayan guys. Oh, nilechon natin yan sa air fryer. I didn't want it too crunchy, so I took it out early. But look at that. Look at that, guys. I did is pressure cook it medium heat, and then halfway cook, right? Season the water where you pressure cook in with. So what I did also here is, ayan, OB Biko, guys. Binisaya yun na OB Biko. Ayan, oh. Purple yam. And then we have pancit from yesterday, 4th of July. And then the menudo from yesterday is I'm heating it up. Ayan, guys. So, ayan yung Filipino kitchen ko. Kasi Pilipinong-Pilipina pa rin talaga ako. And even I've been here 30 years in the US. But still, our food taste, our taste bud is stay the same. Ayan, guys. More cravings. Di ba ang sarap niyan? Hindi man siya crunchy because I like it like that. Because mas masarap talaga yung inano mo sa kalayo. Alam mo yung inikot-ikot mo yung lechon yun. Pero ito is air fry. So, lechon air fry, pork leg. Ayan, guys. So, let's, it's a little bit crunchy in a way, you know. But, let me... But it's so yummy the taste because I marinate them in pressure cooker. So it's soft already. Look at that. It's soft to eat. It's been cooking for like an hour in slow temperature, low temperature. Look at that, guys. Let's eat. So yummy, I promise. Let's eat that. Yum. Gagawa ako ng sauce. Maanghang later. Ayan. Ayan na yung pinakamasarap. Manamis-tamis na maanghang na sauce sa ating lechon. Nagutom, guys. Kaya puno yung bunga. Ayan o. Look at that. Hindi ko maano. Malambot siya. Ayan. Natin yan. May mga taba-taba pa, ha? Sarap. Sarap. Yung purple yam Biko. Kumain ko na, guys. Kumain mo. Yum. Yum. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Super. Ito yung nilagay ko, guys. Yan. Red onion. At saka, ito ang pinakamasarap. Seasoned rice. Vinegar. Sarap. Manamis-tamis yan siya. Yan. Let's crack. Yan. Crunchy. Kartong. Pancit bihon canton. Bam eh. Yeah, let's eat.